Corran McLachlan. Corran Norman Stuart McLachlan, 1 April 1944 – 9 August 2003, was a New Zealand research scientist and entrepreneur. McLachlan is noted for his work on epidemiological research surrounding the effects of the aeon beta-casein. He believed the existence of this protein in cow's milk to be a public health issue contributing to both heart disease and type 1 diabetes. In February 2000, McLachlan and his business partner, Howard Paterson, established Atwo Corporation Limited, renamed the Atwo Milk Company in April 2014 to market Atwo cow's milk, which was free from the aeon beta-casein. Early life, education, and family. McLachlan attended his local primary school, where he was one of 2 students in his class before attending Wairarapa College in Masterton from 1957–1961. It was here that he developed his interest in science, a discipline he continued to pursue. In 1962, McLachlan began studying at the University of Canterbury and graduated with a first-class honors degree in chemical engineering. He then went to the University of Cambridge, where he completed a PhD on the reactions of carbon dioxide in alkaline solutions, supervised by Peter Danckwerts in 1969. While at Cambridge, McLachlan met a German au pair, Ulrich von Thielen, and they were married within 7 months. The couple went on to have 3 children. Career. In 1970, McLachlan returned to New Zealand and began working in the chemistry division of the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. In 1974, he won the first United Development Corporation Inventors Prize. McLachlan first became involved in the dairy industry in 1989 when he became the managing director of Tenon Developments. In a joint venture with Morrinsville Thames Cooperative Dairy Company, they developed a method of producing cholesterol-free butter and low-fat meats using extraction technology. He remained the managing director of Tenon Developments Limited until his death. While the research project was dropped by the New Zealand Dairy Group, McLachlan's interest in the subject of cholesterol and heart disease remained. He spent 5 years investigating a potential connection between aeon beta-casein protein consumption and heart disease. In 2000, he formed Atwo Corporation, backed by Howard Paterson, to license technology for testing, production and use of milk containing only the Atwo beta-casein protein and no aeon protein, primarily which the BCM7 peptide is a variant of in cow's DNA. Research. McLachlan began his research into milk consumption and heart disease prevalence in different countries in 1994 and continued this work for 5 years. His research concluded a strong link between the consumption of the aeon beta-casein protein and ischemic heart disease, childhood type 1 diabetes, and other ailments, and he believed that many people thought to have lactose intolerance are instead sensitive to the aeon protein. Using a genetic test, McLachlan was able to identify cows that produce only the Atwo protein. McLachlan's conclusions were not accepted among all scientists. Many pointed out that the research was correlative rather than proven cause and effect. McLachlan authored 29 scientific papers and confidential reports and was awarded 11 patents. In 1995, McLachlan was made an honorary senior research fellow of the School of Biological Sciences at the University of Auckland. Death. McLachlan died of cancer on 9 August 2003. At the time, acting chief executive of Atwo Corporation, Andrew Clark. == References ==